My name is Dr. Hong. Today I'll be giving you some tips on how to reduce neck and back pain. So my first tip is to start your day with a stretch. This will help improve brain activity, increase your energy level, and decrease aches and pains. For my first stretch, for the neck, would be to bring your hand back, grab the base of your skull, and then tilt your head over and down. And make sure you're doing this with a nice straight back and nice posture, and hold it there for at least 30 seconds. And then for the low back, I would do is lay on the floor, make sure that curve in your low back is nice and straight, and bring your knees to your chest. So for the next tip, if you have neck and low back pain, I would recommend stop doing sit-ups. I would recommend actually doing planks. Go ahead and lay down flat on your stomach. Then you'll prop yourself up on your elbows and your toes. Make sure your spine is nice and straight, and hold that position for as long as you can. And then start increasing time with each attempt after that. For those of you who sit at their desk all day, I want you to stretch your hamstring. Get up, walk around, find what's at knee level, prop your foot up there, make sure it's stable, and then squat down until you feel that stretch in your hamstrings, and then hold that for 30 seconds. And so for my next tip is to stop looking at your phone. The way I was doing it, you're causing a lot of stress on your neck. A better way to look at it is to bring your shoulders down, shoulder blades together, look straight ahead, and prop your phone up at eye level. And doing that will create less pain and stress on your neck. We tend to forget about our headrest, and we're all flexed forward. So what you want to do is use that headrest. So for example, on your side, you want to lean back. When you lean back like that, your spine is nice and aligned, and you get that natural curve back in your neck, and that takes a lot of pressure off your neck. My next tip is for you stomach sleepers. Stop doing that. The reason why I say stop doing that is because you're putting a lot of stress on your neck and your low back. In your neck, you're constantly moving your neck from right to left, and that's a lot of stress for your neck to take for 8 hours. My recommendation is to sleep on your back. I want you to find a pillow that will keep your spine nice and leveled with your neck leveled with your low back. You don't want a pillow that props you up like this. You don't want a pillow that's too low. Now, if you don't like sleeping on your back, you can also sleep on your side. You want to find that pillow that is just right between your shoulder and your neck, so that your shoulder's not rolled forward. And also put a pillow between your knees so that keeps your pelvis leveled, and there's no pain between there, okay? When you sit with your legs crossed, it creates muscle imbalance in your low back and your hips. It creates tightness in one side of your muscles, and then the other side is weak and overstretched. For my next tip is to get regular massages. It'll help reduce tightness and tension wherever you need, and it just feels good. My next tip is for everyone. We all have bad posture. Try to sit up straight. Watch your posture. My go-to thing when I know that I'm slouching is, bringing my shoulder blades together, dropping my shoulders down, bringing my chin backwards, and just kind of making sure my curve down here is not too much. And doing that will really relieve stress on your neck and your low back, especially for those of you who are always hunched over. And for my last tip is to get up and move. Move. For those of you who get stuck at their desk for a long period of time, it's always good because you're waking up your muscles, you're getting the blood flowing. Now, give all those tips a shot, and if you're still experiencing pain, give us a call and we will try to get you better.